Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. We have this exponential equation to solve. And to do that, we need these power rules. So you have the formulas you need. You might want to pause the video and deal with the equation yourself. Okay. So we want to solve these, right? To do that, I'm going to use the first power rule. The left-hand side becomes 6 to power of x. And this plus becomes this term. So I'm going to write it as multiply by 6 to power of 4. Okay. The same thing with the right-hand side, 4 to power of x, multiply by 4 to power of 6. Okay. Now I want x, the terms with x to be on one side, the terms without x to be on the other. So to do that, I can divide both sides by 4x, right? I can do that. So if I do this, this side will be simplified. And what do I have? 6 to power of x multiplied by, or divided by, let's just write it here. 6 to power of 4, okay, over 4 to power of x equals 4 to power of 6. Okay, so to deal with this, I'm going to divide both sides by 6 to power of 4, right? I'm going to divide it by 6 to power of 4, right? If I do this, this one and this one will be simplified, and there will be 6 to power of 4 here. Okay, I'm going to go on and clean these. 6 over 4 to power of x, okay, equals. Now, let's see, simplify this, okay? I could write this one as 2 to power of 6 multiplied by 2 to power of 6, which will be 2 to power of 12, right? And this side, I will write it as 3 to power of 4 multiplied by 2 to power of 4, okay? Simplifying these two, what do I get? 2 to power of 8 over here. So this becomes 2 to power of 8, okay, over 3 to power of 4. Okay. Now, remember that even inside the parentheses could be simplified. So both of them simplified by 2, I will have 3 over 2. I'm going to write it here. Okay, now we need to deal with this, okay? To deal with this, we need these logarithm equations to help us. Okay, now you might want to, again, pause the video, try to deal with it yourself. Okay, now we're going to do it together. Let's just have some more space. Okay, I will add a logarithm to both of these sides. I'm going to add both of them. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I could take x to the left side using this, okay? And this is going to be 3 over 2, and I'm going to use this one as well. So the result will be, I'm going to write it here, x, okay, logarithm 3 minus logarithm 2, okay? Now this one, I'm going to, because again, they are dividing, so I'm going to say equals logarithm 2 to power of 8. Okay. minus logarithm 3 to the power of 4. Okay, and see, I'm going to use this one now. 8 will just go, 8 will go all the way here. Also, 4 will go all the way here. Okay, now I'm going to divide both sides by this. So I'll have x equals okay, there you have it. This is going to be the answer in logarithms. We're going to go on and turn this into a decimal. Now let's go on and use a calculator to find the answer in decimals as well. It's going to be a to log 2. Okay, minus 4 log 3. All of this divided by log 3 minus log 2. Okay, which will be 2.83. Just rewriting the question. What was the question? Let's also check. It was 4 to power of x, 6 plus x, or let me write it like this, x plus 6. The same as is equals 6 to power of x plus 4. Okay, to check this, I'm going to put this to the left-hand side. So the equation becomes 4x plus 6 minus 6x plus 4. Okay, and I'm going to write it. If the answer is close to 0 once typing in, then we are accurate. Now is the moment of truth. If the answer is somewhat close to 0, then we answer the question correctly. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to be only 3 and something. Okay, knowing that these numbers are extra large, right? They're going to be 200,000, 300,000. So we would say yes, the answer is accurate.